Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and I'm standing on the brand new 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Standing back here on the walkthrough into the cockpit. As you can see back here, we got an expansive swim platform. So if you're out anchored out, you got a ton of room back here to jump on and off the water, as well as a nice entryway if you're pulled up to a dock like we are on the port side to walk around to your starboard transom walkthrough. Back here you do have your sunpad. This is a nice feature here that Sea Ray does. This lifts up, adjusting backrests. Great for when you're anchored out, hanging out, just enjoying the day like we have today. Nice sunny day in October. Back here too, you also have hookups for your phone to charge and also a remote stereo, so you don't have to walk all the way up in the cockpit to change any of your tunes. Now walking through the transom walkthrough here, you do have your battery switches under there and a freshwater washdown, so nice to get that salt or sand off you before you track it in the boat. You see above me, before I get under here too much, this shade will extend out and retract back all the way over the sun pad, so you get more shade on those really hot sunny days. Back here we got our wet bar. Nice area for ice chest. Nice receptacle here, put ice in there, wine bottles as well will fit in there. And you do have a nice sink that pulls up. Under it, you do have a refrigerator, so you can put all your sandwiches in there and not worry about them getting all soggy like they would in a cooler. Expansive L-shaped seating back here, pretty much under all of it you do have storage. You can never have too much storage on a boat. Everyone brings something on, and under all these seats throughout this boat, you have place to put everything. Now walking up here towards the helm area, you do have twin screens on this boat. Some of your switching will be through here, but you also have a lot of your important switches right here down there, and your Mercury controls. Big thing about this boat is we bring them pretty much all in with this joystick. Great feature, helps you dock in, does sky hook. This way, if you're waiting for a dock or waiting for a bridge, anything like that, just press it. You're able to just, hang around without having to worry too much about it. You have your charts here on these screens too, and we'll also do your Mercury gauges and all that over here, as well as it also has a fish finder. And then you have a nice Fusion Apollo stereo here. Now on the port side, we have the same seat as we do on the starboard, which is a nice companion seat. You get two people sitting here, flip up bolster. Real easy to move up and down this way. You can sit a little higher or sit a little lower. You have a nice glove compartment here. This is great for putting your wallet, keys in, stuff like that. If you're heading out to a restaurant and don't want to carry everything with you, lock it up. And here we have a huge head area. You got a nice sink down there, nice head, some lighting down there. Now, as I mentioned, moving towards the bow on this boat, you do have a great enclosure on here. Again, this is October. Really warm day for us up here in New Jersey, but this will be great to have when you're running out or on any other normal October day. You can extend your season with this. Keeps you nice and warm, the wind off you, or if it starts raining at all, you get one of those iffy days, keep you nice and comfortable. Now up here in the bow, you see how far this beam's carried forward. You get a ton of space. You can have a ton of people sitting up here, whether you're running or just hanging out. You have two seats on both sides here, some grab rails for safety, which is really nice. And we do have a windlass anchor up here on this boat as well, and then storage again under all these seats as well as in the floor. Again guys, this has been Lars Pearson here with MarineMax on Long Beach Island. If you're interested in this boat, give us a call at 609-494-2102.